Well, I think there's a couple of things that you could take from lower crude. One, of course, is people have more money in their pockets to spend at the retail level, and we certainly expect a good retail spending season here. But also, there's the supply issue, which is certainly out there. But also, I think the stock market is worried about. The stock market was already worried about slowing global growth. I mean, we think that's one of the two biggest risks besides a Fed making a mistake. So when you see oil basically drop like a rock, I mean, it's catch the falling knife right now. You have to think that what does that mean for global growth? We know growth is decent here in the U.S., but clearly the market's afraid and adding that to fears already that the global economy is going to be slowing down.
So is it giving you pause? Is it giving you more concern for the overall global economy and a slowdown?
Well, for us, as I mentioned, Fed mistake, global growth slowdown, margin squeeze. Those are really our three biggest concerns, and it is. I mean, you have to think about it. When oil, drops $25 plus in 6 weeks, you have to try to figure out what's going on. But our commodities team just upgraded. Commodities, they like oil down here. They think it's gone too far. So from our perspective, oil, while it's hard to say right now exactly where the bottom's going to be, we feel like it's pretty close to where we are right now.
Scott, you've been pretty constructive all year long. It might be fair to say you were a dip buyer on net for the year. Has your psychology changed in the last few weeks?
I'll tell you, Carl, it hasn't. And, right now, today, we are going to be testing. And something like this, of course, always happens on a low volume day when people aren't around. But, this 25.80 to 26.30, I mean, there is some good, that's a really good support zone. So our fundamental outlook is for decent economic growth here and abroad, not much inflation. Valuations are down quite a bit. So we have been encouraging and will continue to encourage our clients to step in here. So we think this is a good spot to put some money to work. Most retail investors are sitting on quite a bit of cash.